Good evening, here's my recently acquired Nash 17K and my truck. It's a 2015 model that I found on Craigslist. I thought I got a pretty good deal on it. But we've got a big pass-through storage. The door is tall enough where I can slide these big tubs in and out. I don't have anything in them right now. Stabilizer jacks, steps with 3 steps, ST205/75R15 tires. I might upgrade those to a newer tire here in a year or so. I've already installed furnace vent screens, and what else have I done? I've given it a good wash job. It's kind of dusty because I took it out last weekend and went for a camping trip up a dusty road. Bumper's kind of weathered. It's got a little rust here and there, so I'll probably sand that down and repaint it. 17Ks are generator ready. I just pull out the blocker panel behind this screen, pull out the floor in the bottom of the compartment, and install your generator. It's got a transfer switch in here behind the power cord compartment, and here's our battery cables for the starter, and our AC wire comes out of the transfer switch and it's buried back here in the cabinet behind the power cord enclosure. Here's our freshwater fill fridge vent. I'm going to work on getting some vents installed there, or some screens installed on the vents. We've got a Sandy flush for our blackwater tank, satellite ready, and the other port, the one on the right, that's for cable TV if you were in an RV park that had cable. And our outside shower and our city water hookup. And the other unique thing about a lot of the Nash models is they have a 10-gallon water heater. And here's the other door for the pass-through storage. I've got a bunch of junk in there right now. Stabilizer jacks at all 4 corners. Our low point drains come out under the sink in the bathroom, so our gray water dump is there, black water dump is there, and our valves are fully enclosed in the belly. Kind of hard to see, but up inside there. And it is a totally sealed underbelly, and heat from the furnace circulates through the underbelly to keep your tanks from freezing. A large picture window in the back. These are thermal pane windows. Side window, it slides up. And this window slides sideways. A large grab handle. It does have a few scuff marks on it from the previous owner towing it down some overgrown roads. He says he only used it twice, but if that's all he actually used it, he must have used it for 2 months each time, because it does have some wear on the inside that indicate extended use, not just what most people would use twice and only be a weekend outing here and there. Outside light, 2 batteries and power jack, 7-gallon or 30-pound propane tanks, and that jack has a little foot on the bottom I've never had good success with those working correctly. That is a different design than what I've dealt with before, so maybe that one will work a little bit better. TV antenna up there. We've got a fantastic roof vent fan over the bed, and your small fan in the vent over the bathroom. Looking back there a ways, you might be able to see the solar panel on top of the air conditioner unit. It's that little silver frame. There it is right there. And then between the air conditioner and the TV antenna, somewhere back there, might not be able to see it, but there's a solar port. So it is solar pre-wired as well. Moving inside, we've got a full-size normal queen bed, 60 by 80 inches. A lot of smaller RVs only have what some people call a short queen, other people call an RV queen, which is 6 inches short. So it's 60 inches wide by 74 long instead of an actual queen, which is 80 inches long. I've been doing a little bit of cleanup and getting ready for some upgrades, so it's kind of a mess right now, but it's all LED lighting. There's our fantastic vent fan. We've got 2 speakers in the bedroom. Nice big overhead cabinets. And instead of a wardrobe closet here, we have 4 little shelves. We've got an AC outlet right there. Moving up to the front of the bed, little nightstand with a cubby hole inside and an AC 120 volt outlet. Newer models also have a USB charging port up here by the bed, as well as a 12 volt. So here's our bathroom. And that's our small fan style roof vent. Typical for a bathroom. This is a shower instead of a tub shower combo. Towel rack on the bathroom door, which is good at rattling and making noise as you move about the rig. 3-burner stovetop with a cover. All-in-one control panel unit with switches for entry light, which is our light above the door. Each of those switches lights up when you turn them on. So we've got our porch light, our water pump, our 120 volt function of the water heater, our gas function of the water heater, tank monitors here, and then here's our awning control. And our 20-watt solar panel has a small controller and a spot for the generator control panel. I've had this panel off, and there's a large coil of wire back there, so you could actually locate your generator panel somewhere other than up there. You'd actually need to move it over to the side in this area because it's bigger than what will fit up there. Microwave, stove hood, your typical RV style stove hood. Yeah, it's a fairly decent water faucet. Looks like that's been mangled a little bit there. I didn't notice that. Another sliding window. And we do have one set of USB ports and 12 volt charging here. Outlet for your TV and satellite and cable connections. And this one has mini blinds. Newer models have pleated pull-down shades. And this is just a little general storage area. The area below that is the generator compartment. The top doubles as a wardrobe closet, and then 2 lower storage areas. And right here, this is another shelf, which actually can be used right there. 6 cubic foot fridge. I've already added a temperature monitor for the refrigerator.